Blind spot monitoring helps you see what's in your blind spots.
This is how it works. Two radar units hidden in the back of the vehicle constantly monitor the road to the side and rear. When a hazard is detected, a warning light activates on the corresponding A-pillar, where the driver can see it. That tells them that something is in their blind spot. Activating the left or right turn signal triggers an audible alarm and makes a warning light flash. An added feature of the system is rear cross-traffic detection. When the vehicle is in reverse, the system changes the radar pattern to look for oncoming traffic directly on each side of the vehicle.